When your immunity level is low, a person can be prone to infections, leaving the entire body weak and low of energies. To ensure your body protection, the PAWANMUKTASANA Series 3 was created. My name is Francesco and this is FMA Yoga. If this is the first time on the channel and you're looking to improve your immune system, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any practice. The purpose of this group of asana is to improve the energy flow in your body. These techniques remove the energy blocks along your spine where all the chakras are situated. Throughout these practices you will improve how your heart and lungs works. It is good as well for those that feel lethargic and have a tight back. It could be practiced also after the pregnancy to improve the tone of the muscles. In the next episode we're going to see the first half of this group of asana. For now it's everything. I'll see you next week. Ciao!